Hi everyone, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to do a little opening of this package that I got from a shop on Etsy, and that Etsy shop is let's see here, it is the PaperFire shop on Etsy. You can kind of see that. um, this is by Eloise, and Eloise also has a YouTube channel, and it is the PaperFire Studio. So if you do not follow Eloise, please go over there. I'll have her link below. She's an amazing, very sweet lady. I've gotten to know her over the last month, and she is just so like amazing. So anyway, she has some really cool videos. She's into the journaling world, as we all are as well. So she's PaperFire Studio on YouTube, and then, like I said, her Etsy is PaperFire Shop. So what I have today are these file folders with lace, and I wanted to open that on video because I love surprises and I love packaging, and she does such beautiful stuff. She has a lot of beautiful things in her shop. So, oh my gosh, I don't want to wrap this awesome tissue paper. I like this craft killer tissue paper. Yeah, so let's get into here. So this is a file folder, and it's stuffed with a bunch of laces, which you're going to see. And she's got a couple left in her shop. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. So she's got this beautiful business card. Let's look at that first. Let's see here. Let's get that off of there. Oh, she says, I couldn't resist a little bag of treats and joy from your friend Eloise. Oh, thank you so much, Eloise. I love this tag. And look at this really cute packaging. And she has this rusty safety pin with her business card. So here she is with her business card. And then here's her information here. So I hope that's okay, Eloise, that I shared your business card. I'm sure it is, since it's a business card. So there's that. Isn't that cute? I love your logo. You know, I'm the Mountain Girl Studio, so I love something like really mountainous, and that is it's so beautiful. Okay, so here is a little bit of a treat. So she's got it stapled on with this cute little awesome tag. Let's see. Thank you so much for the extra, Eloise. That was so sweet of you. Look at this really cool bag, you guys. So let's open that. See what's in here. Oh gosh. Oh, it's stuff for junk journaling. Look at this, you guys. This really pretty vintage lace on it. Look at these tea bags. Oh, I love those. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Those are cute. And some library pockets. I love those. I do not have any. And then, oh, look at these glassine bags. Michelle Scott had given me a pile, but look how tiny these ones are. And then some vintage playing cards. Look at that, you guys. I think she inked them, but if not, look how they're old anyways. Thank you so much. And then, oh, look at these postcards. Oh, like a vintage postcard, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that neat? That is really cool. The Hotel Plymouth. Oh, wow, that is so neat. Thank you so much. I really like that. And some guest checks. Those are always fun to use and alter. And I love bingo cards, so thank you so much. So that was my little treat bag. Thank you, Eloise. That was very sweet. Okay, so this is what she's selling in her shop. And so here's the back of it. Oh, maybe this was a little extra too. Look at that, right in between. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Sorry, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that crochet heart. That is beautiful. Oh, and then her logo again with a really cool sticker. It looks like maybe it's punched out and then stamped, and then she's got like thick embossing powder there maybe. Isn't that awesome? Beautiful detail. Beautiful. And this is the front. So this is what you'll get. And it's, let's see, it's pretty big, you guys. It's like 10, well, it's pretty big. Like, I don't have a ruler with me right now. But that is really big. So it's, let's see what it says on here. Like 7 by almost like 11. If I don't have the measurements correct, I'm so sorry, Eloise. But it's huge. It's gigantic. You get it stuffed with these awesome laces. And then, oh my gosh, a ton of laces. Oh my gosh, look at all these. And then, oh, look at this beautiful little tag. It's so cute. I love how you did it. So it's like double, and she has a picture in the center, and she's got it sewn with zigzag and straight stitch all the ways around. I just love sewing too. It looks like my camera is a little jittery. I'm so sorry, you guys. Let's see if it's going. Oh my gosh. Hold on, you guys. So sorry about that. Oh my gosh. My camera gets weird and it gets a life of its own and it wants to do what it wants to do. And sorry if you can hear the lawnmower outside. That's probably annoying. I'm so sorry, but that's what happens, I guess, when you're excited about summer and lawn work, right? Okay, anyways, back where I was at, I kind of put everything a little bit back how it was, because that one was really jittery, but I was saying how beautiful the packaging was and how this is a very large. I said it was like 7 by 12 or 11 or 12, just with everything popping out. So she has a stitched file folder pocket with some lace and trim and some tulle over that, and it's stamped and altered, and it's so beautiful. See if you can see that. And then she's got this beautiful little tag with some vintage quilting on it. That's so pretty. Lots of detail. And then I was saying she had this tag here. I just wanted to kind of give you a better view because my camera was jumping, was lagging, and I don't know why it does that sometimes, but and then I was saying you got all these beautiful laces, a huge pile of laces, and then here is her file folder right here, and she has Dream on there. I love this. So much time was spent, obviously, in the presentation of her little lace package here, and these are some vintage, looks like vintage laces. Look at these, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. And they're fairly nice sized pieces to do in your journaling, snippet projects. That's gorgeous. Junk journals, fabric books, lace books. That is beautiful panel there. And this one is gorgeous. Look at this one, you guys. And I'm not sure if you get the same in each package of laces, but she's got like four or five packages left, and so you could probably get a variety. So this is just a variety. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And they're so soft. Look at this one. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love it. Look at this one. This one's really different. I have not seen anything like that before. And that is so pretty. Look how pretty that is, you guys. You know, like, I'm very grungy and rustic and in my work, but I love using laces too, because you can grunge these up in rustic. I like the marrying of different, you know, genres of shabby and tattered and rustic. I like adding them together. I kind of break the rules, you guys. I just put it all together. So you get laces and trims. Okay, so here's the laces. These beautiful, beautiful laces. And then here's another piece of the other one. It's kind of like a panel. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Oh, so beautiful. And I love the colors. I kind of like the creams and off-whites and laces and trims. And then this little beautiful wrapped, tied up trims. I love little itty bitty trims as well. And she's got it double wrapped or double tied. Look at that. Look at that beautiful trim, you guys. And some pink seam binding. Some eyelet trim. It's like in a cream color. Very pretty. Two different styles. And oh, look at this, you guys. That is vintage for sure. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this vintage stuff. Look at that. That is really cool. These would make good hinges, like really neat kind of hinges. Look at this little tassel trim. And then we got an applique in here as well. It's very pretty. Oh, wow, Eloise. These are gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. They're so dainty. Oh, look at this color. It's like an ecru color. That's beautiful. I really like that. Oh, these are gorgeous. And look at that trim with that delicate, like, itty bitty crochet work like Lorelle does. Her itty bitty tatting. And then another little piece of lace. So yeah, so that's it, guys. But yeah, just go check her out. Her Etsy and her YouTube channel. She's a very sweet lady, and she sells really cool stuff on Etsy. So I like to do some shout outs because I think she's a very sweet lady, and we're all here to support each other. So yeah, so if you go over there and heart her Etsy and sub to her channel and check out her Etsy, and maybe you might find something over there to support her, especially if she has stuff for junk journals and whatnot. So here is her information again. And again, Eloise, these are beautiful cards. I love them. I need to get, you're ahead of me, girl. I need to get my business cards too as well. Thank you, everyone, for taking the time to sit here and go through my little Etsy share. I appreciate it, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and enjoying the slightly warmer weather. It's not totally hot yet here, but it's nice for obviously mowing and lawn work. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.